Seeing so many friends and family gathered to support Jenny and Dan is extremely heartwarming, and I'll admit a bit of a disbelief that this day is actually here. It feels like only yesterday that Jenny was starting school, progressing to university and making friends. It's good to see so many of those friends here today. Dan, I want you to know how glad we are to welcome you into our family. Over time, it's been wonderful to see how you treat Jenny with respect, patience and care. You make her laugh, you make her feel safe, and most importantly, you seem to understand that she is always right. Today isn't just about the joining of two people, it's the merging of two families and the beginning of a new chapter full of love, adventure and learning.
I, Jennifer Ann Fairhurst,
take you, Daniel Christopher Newins,
take you, Daniel Christopher Newins,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
I give you this ring
As a symbol of our love,
as a symbol of our love,
trust and marriage.
trust and marriage.
I officially announce you husband and wife. You may share a gift.
We first met in 2018 as work colleagues, to friends, to slightly more than friends, to partners, to mum and dad, and now husband and wife. You're so kind and selfless. Your family is the most important thing and you do anything for anybody. I love you so much and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together.
Jen, you look beautiful. Thank you for loving him. Somebody had to. And most importantly, keeping him where we know where he is without an AirTag.